How to hide repost on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. Since there is no direct way to hide the individual repost, here is what you can do. Launch a TikTok application in your device and make sure to log in into your account. Once logged in, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Then navigate to the three horizontal line that is in your top right. Select on Settings and Privacy. Once you are in here, tap on the Privacy option. Make sure to private your account, which means only your follower can check out your repost and not the entire public. What you can do is, instead of hiding a specific repost, you can simply remove it. To do that, tap on the repost icon in your feed and check out the video. Then tap on the share icon. Over here, you will see remove repost. You can just tap on it. After which, you'll be able to remove the repost from your feed. Keep in mind that making your account private will also make all of your content visible only to your follower. So if you wish for having more control over who sees your repost, you can provide the feedback to your TikTok application as well. Hopefully this was helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in.